Agile focuses on delivering real value to users as soon as possible. Early value creates momentum, reduces waste, and guides smarter decisions. Continuous value keeps that momentum, with each release improving the product. Customers see progress early and they stay engaged. Teams gain feedback quickly, which sharpens priorities and quality. Leaders gain visibility, which improves planning and confidence. The result is a healthier product shaped by real use, not assumptions. That is the core promise of Agile delivery. A sprint is a short fixed time box where the team builds a small slice of the product. From the very first sprint, Agile teams aim to produce a usable increment. Usable means it can be shown to customers and could be released. The increment may be small, but it solves a real problem. This keeps the team focused on outcomes, not just activity. Each sprint then adds more value, building the product feature by feature. A usable increment works end-to-end for a specific user goal. It is tested, integrated, and meets the team's quality bar. It is small enough to build quickly, yet valuable on its own. It requires clear acceptance criteria and shared expectations of quality. It can be demonstrated reliably in a realistic environment. It aligns with a prioritized customer need. It is not a rough prototype that cannot help users. It is a meaningful, working step toward the product vision. Real customers or their representatives stay involved from the start. They help shape priorities, acceptance criteria, and outcomes. The team shows increments frequently through reviews and demos. Customers provide feedback while memories are fresh. This feedback steers the next sprint and improves relevance. Collaboration replaces handoffs and guesswork. Conversations clarify needs faster than documents. Customers see progress, understand trade-offs, and feel heard. Involvement increases satisfaction and success because the product fits real needs. Agile favors small, frequent releases over large, infrequent launches. Smaller releases reach users sooner and teach teams faster. Each release reduces uncertainty and sharpens direction. Teams can measure usage, learn what works, and adjust. Release cadence depends on context and risk appetite. Some teams release weekly, others release every sprint. What matters is predictable flow and short feedback loops. Demos show progress, releases prove value. Over time, the product grows through steady, confident steps. Early delivery reduces risk by exposing assumptions quickly. Technical risks surface when code runs in real environments. Market risks surface when users react to real features. Budget and schedule risks shrink because progress is visible. Large unknowns are broken into manageable slices. Mistakes are cheaper to fix because they appear early. The team avoids big bang failure and learns continuously. Decisions improve because they are grounded in evidence, not speculation. Risk drops as clarity rises, sprint by sprint. Trust grows when teams keep promises and show results. Regular increments create a reliable rhythm of value. Stakeholders see honest progress, not optimistic forecasts. Transparency about scope, quality, and constraints builds credibility. Customers trust teams who listen and adapt. Leaders trust teams who predict and deliver consistently. Early wins create shared confidence and reduce tension. Over time, trust compounds and collaboration improves. Trust becomes an asset that speeds decisions and increases success. Several practices make early and continuous value possible. Slice work vertically, so each increment delivers end-to-end user value. Define clear acceptance criteria for every item before development starts. Maintain a strong definition of done, covering quality and integration. Demo every sprint and invite real users to respond. Automate tests where practical to keep progress safe and fast. Limit work in progress to finish and release more often. Refine the backlog regularly to keep priorities sharp. Imagine a small team building a personal finance app. The full vision includes budgeting, bill reminders, bank connections, and goals. In Sprint 1, they deliver a working expense tracker with manual entries. Users can add transactions, tag categories, and view a simple chart. Early adopters start logging spending that week. Feedback reveals confusion around categories and chart clarity. The team adjusts labels and simplifies the chart. Adoption grows even before bank connections exist. Value arrives early, guiding the next steps. Agile delivers usable increments from the first sprint, not after months. Customers stay involved, shaping value through frequent feedback. Smaller, earlier releases reduce risk, build trust, and accelerate learning. Usable increments are small, integrated, and solve real user goals. Trust grows through visible progress and steady delivery. Practices like vertical slicing, strong quality bars, and frequent demos make this work. The product improves step by step, guided by real use. That is how Agile delivers early and continuous value.